Cookie sheets stand up to time. Heavy-duty steel construction offers uniform heat distribution, and the cookie sheet's warp-resistant rolled edges provide extra strength. Superior technology. Total Food Release System features metal-utensil-safe premium non-stick on raised circles for superior baking release and effortless cleanup. Set includes 9-inch by 13-inch cookie sheet, 10-inch by 15-inch cookie sheet. Embrace the heat. The cookie sheets are oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit. Wide handles provide generous, confident grip. Pairs well with other bakeware. Circulon Bakeware partners with other products from the complete Circulon collection for even more healthy cooking solutions. Go ahead and make an extra batch using the durable, dependable Circulon Nonstick Bakeware Cookie Pan Bakeware Set. Cookie pans in 2 essential sizes feature the superior non-stick technology and solution-driven design, setting Circulon Bakeware apart from other non-stick bakeware. The technology begins with raised circles on the cookie sheet surface that boast premium non-stick. The roll rim design includes distinctive chocolate brown color inside and out, and wide handles for plenty of grip, even with bulky oven mitts. Blend all this together, and that's the recipe for lifelong baking enjoyment. And once the baking is done, the exceptional non-stick technology keeps the cleanup easy. Oven safe to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, this bakeware brings the Circulon time and energy-saving approach to home baking. And with the cookie sheets truly deliver both the goodness and the goods, for the well-rounded life. The Circulon Nonstick Bakeware Cookie Pan Bakeware Set delivers non-stick baking results with style and efficiency, a perfect partnership of pan and performance. Top reviews from the United States. Go to sheet pan. I really like this baking sheet. It is very sturdy and the size is perfect. I have used it a few times since receiving it and I am very pleased that I purchased it. I have roasted vegetables in it, roasted shrimp and made chicken fingers. Cleans up very well. I just wash by hand with soap and warm water and it looks like new. Highly recommend.